in this blood relation, we will solve the problems of different generations, how they manage and how they are interrelated and how blood relation move. Different problems रहते हैं, उससे आपको निकालना होता है कि कौन किसका चाचा है, कौन किसका मामा है, that type of thing. And we'll solve different type of problems here. So to start with, let's understand this, what it is. ये आप समझेंगे तो इजी हो जाएगा सॉल्व करने में, क्योंकि यही सिस्टम हम लोग यूज कर सकेंगे आगे। तो अगर आप सपोज यू प्लेस योरसेल्फ एट दिस पॉइंट, at this self point, suppose you are at this self point, then all your brothers, sisters, cousins, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, they are in the same level, which means same generation के हैं, आपके same level के हैं। वो आपसे एक लेवल ऊपर कौन होंगे? आपके पेरेंट्स होंगे, मदर, फादर, मैटरनल अंकल, मामा, पैटर्नल अंकल, चाचा, पेरेंट्स इन लॉ, अंकल, आंटी, ये एक स्टेज ऊपर होंगे, एक जनरेशन ऊपर होंगे। एंड ग्रैंड मदर, ग्रैंड फादर, नाना नानी, दादा दादी, ये लोग दो लेवल ऊपर होंगे। सिमिलरली आपके नीचे कौन होंगे? सन, डॉटर, सन इन लॉ, डॉटर इन लॉ, वो एक जनरेशन नीचे होंगे। और ग्रैंडसन, ग्रैंड डॉटर, ग्रैंड सन इन लॉ, ग्रैंड डॉटर इन लॉ, ये दो जनरेशन नीचे होंगे। दिस इज हाउ द थिंग्स आर। अगर ये आपको क्लियर है तो आगे प्रॉब्लम्स है सॉल्व करने में आसानी होगी। ये क्लियर है लेवल?
जी सर।
यस सर। ओके, सो लेट्स डू दिस। M is brother of N, K is sister of M, P is brother of O, O is daughter of N, then who is uncle of P? Now this is a typical relationship problem, blood relation problem. M is brother of N, K is sister of M, P is brother of O, O is a daughter of N, who is uncle of P. आप ऐसे भी मिला कर सकते हैं। और अगर जनरेशन वाला ये करना है तो आप पहले ये लीजिए। फर्स्ट इज M is brother of N, so both will be at the same level. Okay, so let's do this. This is your M and this is your N. They are at the same level. And M is brother of N. Since he is brother, so he has to be male. M has to be male, right? भाई है, so he has to be male. ये बहुत important है उनका मेल या फीमेल बताना, बिकॉज आंसर में आंट एंड ये नेफ्यू एंड नीस आ जाएगा, अंकल एंड आंट आ जाएंगे।
एन ए एन
एन, ओके, अभी पास करते हैं ये आंसर, देखते हैं, हो सकता है एन हो। लेट्स सी, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली। सो सी एम इज ब्रदर ऑफ एन। एन क्या है, मेल है फीमेल है? आई डोंट नो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, आई डोंट नो, बट M is brother of N, so M is male, and K is sister of M. So if K is sister of M, so K will also be in the same level, and she will be female. Okay.
सर M है आंसर।
N है?
B M।
B M from Mangalore.
Yes sir.
Okay. हाँ, M ही है, अभी मेरे को M ही आएगा आंसर। So let's see how do we solve this. So K N ये सेम लेवल पे आए। Now P is brother of O. P and O का कोई लेवल नहीं मिल रहा है, तो अभी मैं इसको पार करके नेक्स्ट पे जाता हूँ। O is daughter of N. O is daughter of N. So ये एक O जो है इसके नीचे में आएगा, right? And O is daughter of N, so she has to be female since she is daughter. And now I come back to here. P is brother of O, so P इस लेवल पे आएगा, O के लेवल पे। P is brother of O, तो सेम लेवल पे आएगा। And brother है तो ये मेल है। Now who is uncle of P? So N is what? N is what of P? N क्या है P का? बता सकते हैं?
फादर या फिर मदर?
यस, वी डोंट नो, या तो फादर है या मदर है। अंकल कौन होगा? अंकल M होगा, है ना? अब ये अंकल मैटरनल अंकल भी हो सकता है, मामा भी हो सकता है या चाचा भी हो सकता है, पैटर्नल अंकल, बट अंकल है। और के जो है वो बुआ भी हो सकती है या मासी भी हो सकती है, लेकिन एज अ जनरल आंटी हो जाएगी। ओके, so this is how we solve this problem. So answer is M. Good. Let's do this. A and B are brothers. C and D are sisters. A's son is B's brother. How is B related to C? क्या कोई आंसर मिला? A and B are brothers. C and D are sisters. A's son is B's brother. How is B related to C?
Grandfather.
ना, नहीं, grandfather नहीं।
None of these.
Uncle.
नहीं,
Uncle.
uncle. Yes, uncle है। Grandfather and none of these नहीं, uncle है। देखो कैसे होगा। A and B are brothers. Okay, so they will be in the same level, मान लिया मैंने। A and B will be in the same, ये, and A and B are brothers. So language से ही पता चलता है कि दोनों मेल हैं। Both are male. Okay. C and D are sisters. Fine, very good. But C and D किस लेवल में आएगा? A B के लेवल में आएगा या इसके ऊपर आएगा या नीचे आएगा? I don't know. So I just go ahead and see the other one. It says A's son is B's brother. So A's son है तो वो नीचे आएगा, A का son, and since he is son, so he has to be male. ये मेल फीमेल बहुत जरूरी है लिखना, okay? Son and A's son is B's brother. So यहाँ पे ये D है, C का brother, and now I come B and C are sisters. So B and C are sisters, and it says B and C are sisters, so both are sisters. Okay, ये डायग्राम बना। अब ये डायग्राम बना तो उसमें how is B related to C? B is uncle of C. Okay, or what? How is C related to B? बता सकते हैं how is C related to B? C is what of B? She is niece of B.
He is the niece of B.
C is the niece of B. B is uncle of C. That is correct, and that is the answer. मैं एक step आगे जा रहा हूँ. And C is niece, and M is nephew. Now ये difference हो जाता है answer में. When you have male and female, then it becomes very clear. Son is nephew of B, and C is niece of B. Okay, clear? ठीक है. So now this is one type of problems which you get in relation, blood relation. And there's another type of problem like this. A lady pointed to a man and told, his mother is the only daughter-in-law of my mother-in-law. Find the relation between the lady and the man. A lady pointed to a man and told, his mother is the only daughter-in-law of my mother-in-law. Find the relation between the lady and the man. क्या होगा? Lady pointed to a man and told his mother is the only daughter-in-law of my mother-in-law. Find the relation between the lady and the man. क्या लग रहा है? Tell me on one thing. Who can be? Sorry? Who can be the only daughter-in-law of her own mother-in-law? ये catch है. Who can be the only daughter-in-law of her mother-in-law? कौन अपने सास की इकलौती बहू होगी? ये लेडी बोल रही है कि his mother is the only daughter-in-law of my mother-in-law. अगर उस लड़के की सास की इकलौती बहू कौन होगी? वो खुद होगी ना? And his mother.
So mother and son relationship.
Yes, the answer is mother and son. None of these. You got this? ये बोल रही है, काफी कंफ्यूजिंग है ये बोल रही है कि his mother, उसकी माँ जो है वो मेरे सास की इकलौती बहू है. अपने सास की इकलौती बहू वो खुद होगी ना? बोल रही है. Okay. And his mother, so वो उस लड़के की माँ. This is the relationship, mother and son. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो फिर ये भी सिमिलर है, ये आप करो तो. Pointing to a girl in the photograph, Ajay said, her mother's brother is the only son of my mother's father. How is the girl's mother related to Ajay?
Grandmother.
Grandmother? नहीं, थोड़ा और देखो, ग्रैंडमदर नहीं होगा. वैसे ही बनाओ, वो जो लेवल वाला बनाते थे वो स्टैंडर्ड है बनाने का. अगर हम लेवल वाला बनाना चाहें तो
सर सिस्टर.
How is the girl's mother related to Ajay? ना, वो भी नहीं होगा. देखो, ये कहता है her mother's brother is the only son of my mother's father. It points to a girl in the photograph.
Aunt.
Sorry?
Aunt.
Aunt can be the right answer. Yes. In this choices, aunt is the right answer. See, ये girl है, ये और ये अजय है. Ajay says that this girl's mother's brother इसी लेवल पे आएगा. Mother's brother is the only son of my mother's father. इसकी मदर जो होगी वो यहाँ होगी. और there is somewhere father, मदर का फादर. अब ये आप देखो तो ये डायग्राम बनाओगे तो आपको मिल जा रहा है ना. Ajay says that this girl's mother's brother is the only son of my mother's father. ठीक है, ये जब मिल गया तो ये इसमें और इसमें ए का क्या रिलेशनशिप, ए एंड एम में क्या रिलेशनशिप है? एम क्या है ए की? ये एम, मान लो ये M1 है और ये M2 है, मदर 1 एंड मदर 2. तो ये M1 और इसमें क्या रिलेशनशिप है? गर्ल्स मदर और इसमें ये मासी होगी ना, एक ही. तो आंटी होगी, आंट होगी. तो गर्ल्स मदर इज रिलेटेड टू अजय एज आंट. माँ की बहन ये बहन होगी। इसकी मदर, इस गर्ल की मदर अजय के माँ की बहन है। ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके। अभी इसमें एक और आंसर है, एक और आंसर है। आप एक और मैं फिगर बना रहा हूँ, ये जैसे हमने बनाया एम जी, और यहाँ पे आप अजय को रख लो, यहाँ पे आप ब्रदर रख लो, माँ के भाई, और यहाँ पे आप फादर रख लो। Now this is the another figure. This also matches with the language. Ajay, this girl's mother's brother, this girl's mother's brother is the only son of Ajay's mother's father. अगर अजय की माँ भी यही होगी तब भी ये सेटल हो जा रहा है, हो रहा है ना? अगर ये दोनों भाई बहन होंगे तो अपने भाई बहन, तब भी ये पॉसिबल है। So answer will be then mother. How is girl's mother related to Ajay? She is also mother. But यहाँ choices A, B, C, D में mother नहीं है कहीं भी, so that is why aunt है। Okay? But इसका आंसर दो है, मदर भी हो सकती है और मासी भी हो सकती है। ओके, so let's go to the, ये दूसरा तरह का है। If P plus Q means P is husband of Q, P by Q means P is the sister of Q, P into Q means P is the son of Q, then how is D related to A in the equation D into B plus C by A? क्या होगा? To start with, P by A means P is sister of A, because P by Q means P is sister of Q, so C by A means C is sister of A. That is one thing. B plus C means B is husband of C, क्योंकि P plus Q means P is husband of Q, so B plus C means B is husband of C. And D into B means B is son of B. Like P into Q means P is the son of Q, so D into B means B is son of Q.
Nephew.
Nephew?
Yes.
Yes, very good, nephew. Very good, nephew. Same way, इसमें बस दो स्टेप जाना होगा। पहले ये निकालना होगा, C is sister of A, B is brother-in-law of A, that is sister's husband, and D is nephew of A. A के रिलेशन में है, because how is A related to A, तो इसका A के रिलेशन में है। अब जैसे भी करोगे फिगर जो बनाओगे उसमें फिर आपको ये मिल जाएगा। इसका फिगर आएगा A डायग्राम, फिगर या डायग्राम आप बोलो, A C, C is sister of A, so C is female. B is brother-in-law of A, or B is husband of A, so B is husband of C, so he is male. And D is son of B, so he is also male. Now here A is related to D into, how is D related to A? D is then nephew of A. Pakka hai because he is male, so he is nephew of A. And what is A of D? What is A of D? D is nephew of A, but A is what of D? A can be aunt or can be uncle, because I don't know whether A is male or female. यहाँ कहीं मिला नहीं है. So A can be aunt or can be uncle of D. Okay, great. Now this is last problem in relation. देखने में बड़ा लगता है, but problem बहुत छोटा है. There are 6 members in a family. A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the 6 members. Out of 6, 1 is doctor, 1 is lawyer, 1 is engineer, 2 students, and 1 is housewife. There are 2 married couples in family. F, who is doctor, is father of E. D is a student and her father is not a lawyer. B, who is housewife and grandmother of D. C, who is an engineer and father-in-law of A. D is sister of E. Lawyer is married to doctor. अब ये facts दिए हुए हैं. इस facts के basis पे what is the relationship between E and we have to find this. What is the relationship between E and D? Who are the married couple? What is the total number of female members in the family? And who is doctor? We have to answer these four. आप इसको स्टार्ट करने के लिए ये देख लीजिए, ये तो दिया ही हुआ है, F is doctor, so you can just start. F is doctor. मैं स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट दे देता हूँ आपको. F is doctor. And he is father of E. Since he is father, so he is also male, right? And is father of E, so E is somewhere here. I don't know E is male or female. Okay. I don't know E is male भी हो सकता है या female भी हो सकता है. I don't know. अब इसमें आगे बढ़िए, इस पे कैसे होगा? फादर ऑफ ई. और कुछ मिल रहा है? D is a student and her father is not lawyer. इससे कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है. B is housewife and grandmother of D. C, who is an engineer and father-in-law of A. D is sister of E. Yeah, this is यहाँ पकड़ा है. D is sister of E. Okay, तो मेरे को मिल गया ये लेवल. D is sister of E. And D is sister, तो ये तो फीमेल ही. आगे बताइए. Now D is a student. Okay, so she is a student. Let us write it like this. ST. She is a student. D is a student. And her father is not lawyer. Fine, that is okay. Her father is not lawyer. Her father is doctor. ये तो यहाँ पे clear. B, who is housewife and grandmother of D. Now ये आपको एक नया relation का. Grandmother मतलब ये इसके एक ऊपर में आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा, है ना? This will be B. And she is grandmother, so she has to be female. And she is housewife. Okay? It is something like this. अभी इतना तक हमें relation मिला. अब आगे और देखते हैं. Now here you see. C, who is an engineer and father-in-law of D. अभी father-in-law of D है, मतलब ये एक लेवल ऊपर है. Father-in-law of A, sorry, father-in-law of A. तो A से एक लेवल ऊपर है. यहाँ अगर लॉजिकली देखिए तो A अगर यहाँ रखेंगे, then only it is possible that C will be here. एक लेवल ऊपर. Okay, this is only possible. And C, who is an engineer, so C is an engineer. And father-in-law है, so he has to be male. तो A क्या हो जाएगा? Lawyer is married to doctor. So she is female and she is married to, and she is a lawyer. अब ये आपका फैमिली मिल गया. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this is your family. Now you have found out this is my
Yes,
family.
sir.
This is the way things are. Now if this is this, then relationship between E and B. E and B, this is C. Okay.
It's grandson and grandmother.
Grandson.
Grandmother and grandson or granddaughter.
Very good. Grandson and granddaughter. Grandmother, grandson and granddaughter. Yes. And married couple? B and C and F and A.
Yes.
है ना? Number of female members? देखिए number of female members 1, 2, 3 तो must है, and here there is a question mark. Maybe, may not be. I don't know. So either 3 or 4. And who is doctor? Doctor is there. Okay, this was the last. Yeah. So this is done.